Hi Alpha, are you ready to ride?
Follow the rules. First, wear your helmet properly before starting the motorbike.
Right, I also put on a long sleeved shirt to protect my body.
Good. Don't forget glove. So you can grip the handlebar safely.
And we should wear long pants and shoes to keep our legs and feet safe.
Actually, before we ride, let's check the brake, legs, and treads first.
Okay, now I start engine slowly.
Remember to ride careful and stay focused on the road.
Of course, and I use the turn signal when turning, then watch other vehicles.
Perfect. Finally, ride a reasonable speed to stay safe.
Got it. Let's ride safely.
Thank you for watching.